Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am here with a great haul for you from CVS. I know I've been going a while. I'm just trying to get back in the practice of couponing and making videos for you guys again. But this particular video is a special video. It's mainly a video with CRTs. And I wanted to do this video because I've been getting a lot of messages and comments about how to use CRTs and how to combine CRTs, how to stop and hold CRTs. So this video is a perfect example of how to do that to maximize your savings. So for those of you that are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell next to it. That way you'll get notified every time I do a video. And if you see any of the deals in the video that you like, comment below. Let me know if you're going to do them or if you've already done them. Maybe you have some extra savings to add on to what I'm going to show you. And don't forget to share this video with all your friends and family. Tweet it out. Put it on your Facebook, your Instagram. Message it out to people. Text it out to people. We want to make sure that everyone's saving. So guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you my receipt, break everything down for you because this haul was actually a money maker. This was a $2.28 money maker. Woo! And you know we love money makers and we love everything that's free. So go ahead and get your notebooks, your paper, your pens, your phones, whatever you need to take notes so that you can follow along. Okay, so for those of you who do not know what a CRT is or have no clue what I'm talking about, let me go ahead and explain all of that to you. So whenever you shop at CVS, you want to make sure that you use your CVS Care Card. If you don't have one, basically what it is the CVS loyalty card. You can sign up for it online or you can sign up for it at the store. You definitely want to get that because that will give you extra savings on top of the traditional coupons that you get out of the newspapers or that you print off the internet, along with additional savings that you're going to get from Ibotta, Fetch, Shopkick, and all those other apps that you download on your phone. So make sure that you download the CVS app because what happens is every Sunday, and actually it happens Saturday at midnight, you're going to get all of these coupons. Sometimes you're going to get a lot. Sometimes you may get 4 or 5. Some days you might get 10, 15. Every week is different. But those coupons that they're sending you are CVS coupons. And we, in the coupon world, call them CRT. And I really forget what CRT stands for, but it's basically a CVS coupon, a CVS store coupon that can only be used at CVS. And you get them through the CVS app by downloading the CVS app or by printing them out at the red box. The best way to do is to download the app because you get all kind of coupons and special savings and things. But what's nice is you can combine those CVS CRTs along with manufacturer coupons and the rebates that you get from Ibotta and Fetch, and Shopkick, and any other app that you're using, even Checkout 51. So this haul, I used one paper coupon. That is it. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this haul a moneymaker. So on Sunday, I clipped all of my CRTs because remember, you get new ones every single Sunday. Now, if you know that you're not going to use them this Sunday, then go ahead and clip them on Saturday. That way, that gives you a whole nother week to use them because once you clip them, you only have a week to use them. So if you know that you're not going to use them, wait until Saturday before the new ones come out. I usually do it about 11 o'clock Saturday night. And when I clip them, then they stay on my account a whole nother week. So I purposefully did not coupon at CVS last week because I wanted to show you how combining your CRTs can help you get a maximum savings. So what I did Saturday night, I clipped all of my CRTs and I waited until midnight to see what new CRTs I got. So let me show you how you can stack your CRTs. And again, you can still use manufacturer coupons. And I actually did use some manufacturer coupons, but I used the digital manufacturer coupons out of the CVS app. So that's another nice thing about having a CVS app, is that they also send you manufacturer coupons. So then you don't have to buy a newspaper or print them off the internet. So let's start with our first item. Let's start with the Colgate toothpaste. So this Colgate toothpaste, and it's actually a glitch. Now, what is a glitch? A glitch is when you get savings that you're ordinarily not supposed to get, okay? So this toothpaste was on sale for $3.99. I got 2 of them. So what I did, I had a $2 off Colgate, $2 off any Colgate toothpaste, CRT. I got that last week. I saved that, and then on Sunday, I got another one, $2 off any Colgate toothpaste. So that gave me a total of $4 that I could use on Colgate toothpaste. Now, I could have just gotten the one, and then I would have got one toothpaste for free. But what I did is I combined those 2 CRTs along with a manufacturer coupon, which I had $2 off one Colgate, and I also used a $2 manufacturer digital coupon. Now, when you have, this is where the glitch comes in. I had the $2 off one paper the dollar off 2 paper coupon. So that paper coupon should have covered both of these. So I shouldn't have been able to use another manufacturer coupon, but for some reason that digital coupon still went through. So that's where the glitch is, because with manufacturer coupons, you can use 1 coupon per item. So I had that paper manufacturer coupon that was $2, $1 off of 2 Colgate. So that would have covered both of them. But that digital glitched, the digital manufacturer coupon glitched, and I was able to use that. So if you add up the $2 CRTs, that's $4. The $2 digital coupon, that's $6. And the dollar manufacturer coupon, that's a total of $7 that I was able to use towards this $8 purchase. So that would have left me paying $1 out of pocket. But guess what? For buying the for buying the 2 Colgate toothpaste, I actually got back a $5 extra buck. So that made that a money maker for me. So guys, that's an excellent glitch and an excellent money maker for you. Okay, let's go to our next item. The next item I got was the Charmin toilet paper. So the Charmin was regularly $12.49, but this week it's on sale for $7.99. Now, this is where I stacked my CRTs again. So last week I got a CRT for $3 off any Charmin. I saved that and clipped it on Saturday. And then when all the new ones came through on Sunday, I got another $3 off Charmin CRT. So because there's no spend threshold there, and what that means is that's not a coupon that says you have to spend XYZ to get XYZ off. It's just plain $3 off any Charmin. I combined both of those. So what I did is I got a total of $6 off the Charmin, which was $7.99. And then I used the 25-cent digital manufacturer coupon. So I got a total of $6.25 off of my $7.99 Charmin. So that was like me paying $1.75 for 6 rolls equal 24 mega rolls of Charmin. That is a pretty good deal, if I must say so myself. So then my next item I got were the CVS Baby Wipes. So the CVS Baby Wipes were $3 and $2.49. They were $2.49, but I had a $3 off CVS baby item. So I could pick any baby item that was a CVS brand and get $3 off. So I decided to get the wipes so they would be absolutely free. Now, the reason I don't have two here is because I actually used the one from last week. I get this CRT every single week, so I just go get a new pack of wipes every single week. And you don't have to just get the orange pack. They have a brown pack, which I think has Shea in it, Shea Moisture. I usually get that one, but they were sold out of that one. They have the sensitive kind. They have about 5-6 different packs that you can get with that CRT. So for those of you who have kids or constantly buy baby wipes, that's a good CRT for you. So again, that was absolutely free. My next item I got was the Aleve. The Aleve were $5.99. And what I did is I used two $3 off any pain relief. So last week I got a $3 off pain relief. I stopped and held it. And then Sunday I got a new one. So that gave me a total of $6. The Aleve was $5.99. So again, they were absolutely free. Now, if you don't want to get the Aleve, another thing you can do with the pain CRTs, and this is what I usually get because I usually just get them every week, but because I decided to wait and stack them, I was able to get the Aleve without paying anything out of my pocket. But normally I get the CVS brand ibuprofen or the CVS brand baby aspirin because they're like, I believe they're like $2.99. So I'm able to get them free every week because just like the CRT they send me for the baby wipes, they send me the pain CRT every week also. So you have a choice of what you can get. Then the last item I got was the CREV. The CREV soap was $7.59. And I had two $5 off CREV facial care. Now, you don't have to get this soap. They have another soap that you can get. I believe it's for like bumpy and dry skin, I believe. It's the same price. But you can get any CREV product that you want with that CRT as long as it is a facial care product. But I was able to combine those two CRTs, which gave me $10 to spend on a CREV product. But I chose to get the hydrating cleansing bar, which was $7.59. So it was free. But please keep in mind, CVS does not give overage. So it's not like I could use that overage to pay for the $1.75 that I was going to get. I'm going to have to pay for the toilet paper. So what happens is that just reduces the CRT down to the price of the product. So guys, that is how I was able to get this entire haul totally free by stacking my CRTs. So I figured I would make a video for you guys so that you can see exactly how to do that. And I did show you my $5 off. So let me show you the entire receipt. Because remember, if it's not receipted, it didn't happen. So here you guys see the Colgate. Then you see the Charmin, the CVS Baby Wipes, the Aleve, and the CREV. And then there's my $1 manufacturer coupon for the toothpaste, the 25-cent manufacturer coupon for the toilet paper. Now, the coupon for the toothpaste was a paper coupon that I cut out. And the 25-cent coupon for the Charmin was a digital coupon on the CVS app. Then there's the glitch, the $2 where it says Colgate Toothpaste with the question mark. That's a $2 digital coupon. Again, that's a glitch. Then there's the $5 off CREV. Then you see the other $5 off CREV. But if you look over to the right, it is reduced down to $2.59 because the item was only $7.59. Then you have the $3 off any Charmin, the $3 off any pain relief, the $3 off CVS Healthy Baby, the $3 off any Charmin again, the $3 off any pain again, and then you have the $2 off Colgate Oral Care, 2 of those. So there's my total for $2.72, which I paid with a gift card, but then I got back a $5 extra buck. So that means that this haul was a $2.28 money maker. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you plan on doing any of these deals, let me know. And remember, if you don't have the CRTs to do this deal, they will come. Every time you shop, just make sure you use your card so that they can track the items that you purchase, because they will send you personalized CRTs according to the exact products that you buy, as well as CRTs that they send to all of their CVS shoppers who have downloaded the app. And if you're not going to use them this week, just remember to clip them on Saturday so that that gives you another week and you can see what CRTs you're getting the following week or the next day so that you can maximize your savings. So as always, guys, I thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being a dedicated watcher to Nicole is Making It Happen. Until the next time, keep on saving.